Hi, this week we're going to be painting the beautiful berries that come from the Iris Foetidissima, which is one of the plants in the garden that I didn't think I'd ever want, but I absolutely love it. And the reason I didn't like it is because you see this berry painted in so many botanical shows. I thought, oh, it must be one of those plants that's just everywhere, but actually it's a fantastic plant for the garden. And later on this year I plan to put in a tutorial for the flower, which is a lovely sort of greeny yellow flower. It's very delicate, very pretty. But at this time of the year I've got the berries in the garden and they were just calling to me. It's a lovely bright red orange and they will be wonderful to add to a study page of objets d'art, you know, things from the garden. And I've added it to the page that we've got the feather on and the conker and the shell, so there's not really a theme except it's things that one likes to gather, a bit of a hoarder's picture. But anyway, that's the project that we're going to be doing, and in this project we'll be learning how to build up the colour for the berries and also how to do all that lovely delicate weathering that happens on the plant. And I hope that you'll give it a go.